Hi, I'm Mike Wilkes, the middle-aged mountain biker. And you know what it's like? You've come back from a muddy ride. Maybe you've washed your bike in the stream, but it's soaking wet. So what do? I'm going to give you a top tip. Not only will it preserve your bike and stop that rusty chain, but it means you'll get on really well with your 16-year-old daughter. So here's what you do. You sneak your bike inside the utility room. Take your very best hairdryer. Obviously it doesn't take as long as your daughter takes to dry her hair, but now all your components are good and clean, ready to be put away.